Hello students, today we will discuss a topic of class 7 subject chemistry, chapter 3 elements, compounds and mixtures. The topic is need and methods of separation. This is given in your book on page number 44 and 45, so you will go through it. Students, separation of various components of a mixture is very important. It is vital to remove undesirable and harmful substances from the mixture. The following points will help us to understand why there is a need for separating constituents of mixture. There is a need of separation to obtain useful substances and to get rid of undesirable harmful substances. For example, tea is filtered before taking it. Tea leaves are separated from tea before the tea is taken. The second point is separation is also done to obtain pure sample of substance for different purposes. For example, making medicine and for other activities carried out in laboratories. Students, today we will also discuss about the methods of separation. One of the methods we will discuss today is sublimation. What is sublimation? The process in which a solid substance changes directly to the gaseous state on heating. This process is called sublimation. There are very few substances which show sublimation like ammonium chloride, camphor, naphthalene. So these are the substances which undergo sublimation. What is the principle of this method? This process is used to separate a mixture in which one of the constituent is sublimable. Sublimable substance when heated directly changes to gaseous state. For example, if a mixture of salt and ammonium chloride is heated, then what happens? Ammonium chloride sublimes and changes to gaseous state, and salt is left behind. In this way, salt can be separated from the mixture of ammonium chloride and salt because ammonium chloride changes to gas and sublimes. This is given in the activity 3.5, page number 44 and 45. You will see this activity. Now I am giving you few assignments. What are the needs for separation of mixtures? What is sublimation? Name two substances which sublimes. And write an activity to separate a mixture of salt and ammonium chloride. Do these activities in your fair notebook. Thank you.